Built in 1658 by Colonel Benjamin Beringer, St. Nicholas Abbey is one of the few surviving examples of Jacobean architecture in the Western Hemisphere. Two other Jacobean mansions that are easily identifiable are Drax Hall, also in Barbados, and Bacon's Castle, located in Virginia. The plantation has become an important site for heritage tourism. But if we look back as far as the period between 1652 and 1661, we will learn of the drama and confusion associated with the property and its owners. Beringer, the owner at that time, shared the residence with his business partner, John Yeamans. Personal issues between the two, sparked by Beringer's connection with Yeamans' wife, resulted in a series of events more in keeping with a murder mystery than life on a plantation. Today, the property is owned by the Warren family, purchased by them in 2006. The main building houses a museum displaying a wide range of artifacts and antiques spanning the 350-year history of the property. Some of these items provide the basis for reflection on the enslaved who toiled within the plantation system, supporting the production and expansion of the sugar industry in Barbados and the West Indies. Many of the antiques in the drawing room date back to the early 1800s, including two Wedgwood tea sets and some amazing artwork. There is also the Sailor's Valentine collection. In the dining room, the table and chairs on display are made from Barbadian mahogany. Among the outstanding pieces of furniture in the study is the 1936 gentleman's chair, which features adjustable tables, book holder, reading lamp, backrest, and footrest. Should the gentleman's snoring disturb others in the study, it could easily be wheeled elsewhere for the duration of his nap. As you walk across the courtyard towards the boiling room, you will see the sandbox tree, which is over 400 years old. The tree's dark pointed spines have given it the nickname Monkey No Climb. You may also run into a few friendly and welcoming birds.
Hi. Hi.
Then it's on to the distillery to meet Annabelle, one of the important pieces of machinery essential to the production of the St. Nicholas Abbey brand of rum, made primarily for export. The unblended spirit is hand-bottled straight from the barrel into an elegant glass decanter, etched with an image of the great house. Sealed with a mahogany cork symbolic of the trees planted on the plantation over 250 years ago, each decanter is engraved with both number and date. A personalized message may be added to create a unique gift. The story of St. Nicholas Abbey is not yet complete. The comments in the welcoming section of the brochure, written by Larry Warren, read in part like this. It is easy to tell the story of the owners and occupants of the plantation great house, as history has written elaborate and detailed accounts of their lives. However, this is not the case with the enslaved people whose history and legacy remain untold and in many ways forgotten. We believe their story must be conveyed respectfully, and therefore our future plans are to professionally upgrade the House Museum to correct this disparity and focus on the plantation's rich archaeological discoveries to convey their life and contributions to the pride and industry of our island. The St. Nicholas Abbey tour would not be complete without experiencing a ride on the railway. It provides an ideal opportunity to enjoy an incredible view of the beauty of Barbados while reflecting in a relaxing atmosphere on a mode of transportation that marked a period of our history. There's also the opportunity for passengers to get involved in the process as they assist the staff in turning the engine around on reaching the end of the line at Cherry Tree Hill. Before the return journey, there's time to absorb the stunning view and observe the mahogany trees planted by Sir John Gay Alleyne in the mid-18th century. More recently, in 2008, another 130 trees were planted. The view from Cherry Tree Hill. What a sight! St. Nicholas Abbey and the railway. Another piece of the rock.